Choosing replacement doors for your home is an important decision that impacts security, comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. For homeowners in Slidell, where humidity, heat, and occasional storms are part of everyday life, selecting the right door requires careful consideration. Knowing what to look for can help you make a smart investment that delivers long-term value. One of the first things to consider is material. The material of your replacement door plays a major role in how well it performs over time. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice in Slidell because they resist moisture, humidity, and temperature changes without warping or cracking. Steel doors offer excellent strength and security, while wood doors provide a classic look but may require more maintenance in a humid climate. Choosing the right material ensures durability and reduces the need for frequent upkeep. Energy efficiency is another key factor. In Slidell's warm environment, doors that allow air leaks can make it harder to keep your home cool. Look for replacement doors with insulated cores and high-quality weather stripping. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by keeping cool air inside and hot air out. Over time, this can lead to improved comfort and lower energy costs. Security should always be a top priority when selecting replacement doors. Modern doors come with advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and durable construction that provide an added layer of protection. Multi-point locks and strong materials make it more difficult for forced entry, giving homeowners peace of mind. A secure door not only protects your home but also adds value to your property. Another important consideration is how the door fits within your home's style. Slidell homes often reflect a mix of traditional and coastal influences, so choosing a door that complements your architecture is essential. Whether you prefer a classic paneled design or a more modern look with clean lines, the right door can enhance curb appeal and create a cohesive appearance. Glass options are also worth considering. Many replacement doors include glass panels, side lights, or decorative inserts that allow natural light into your home. This can brighten your entryway and create a more welcoming atmosphere. If privacy is a concern, frosted or textured glass options provide light without full visibility. Impact-resistant glass is another option that adds durability and protection, especially in storm-prone areas. Functionality is just as important as design. Think about how you use your door on a daily basis. Entry doors should be easy to operate while providing a secure seal when closed. Patio doors, such as sliding or French styles, should offer smooth operation and convenient access to outdoor spaces. Choosing a door that fits your lifestyle makes your home more comfortable and practical. Durability is especially important in Slidell's climate. Exposure to heat, humidity, and rain can take a toll on lower quality doors. High-quality replacement doors are designed to withstand these conditions without fading, warping, or deteriorating. This ensures long-lasting performance and reduces the need for repairs. Another factor to keep in mind is maintenance. Some materials require more upkeep than others. Vinyl and fiberglass doors are typically low maintenance, while wood doors may need regular refinishing. Choosing a door that fits your maintenance preferences can save time and effort in the long run. Professional installation is crucial to getting the most out of your replacement door. Even the best door won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. A professional installer ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and smooth operation. This helps prevent issues like drafts, water leaks, or misalignment. Budget is also an important consideration, but it's best to focus on value rather than just cost. Investing in a high-quality door may require a larger upfront expense, but it often pays off through improved durability, efficiency, and performance over time. In the end, selecting replacement doors in Slidell is about balancing style, performance, and practicality. By focusing on material, energy efficiency, security, and proper installation, you can choose a door that enhances both your home's comfort and its long-term value. With the right choice, your new door will provide lasting benefits and a welcoming entryway for years to come.